Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to change language preference for designer window. First, go to settings from the Inkybay App admin. Then click on language and translation. This is a language setting page. From here we can see there are two tabs. One is translate for and other one is translated data. Translate for is the common labels available on the designer window, and translated data is how we want our labels to show. Like if you want the save design to be shown as save your design and click save language, then on our designer window save design will be shown as save your design. And for adding language, click on plus language. You will see the available languages. To add the available languages, click on the plus language, and here it is. Here is a new language being added. By default, English is set as a default language for Inkybay Designer window. If we want to change the default language, just click on our preferred language and then go and click make default language. Designer window languages would be changed as our selected language, and we can now also change the translated data as our preferred language if it is not available or we want to show something else for it. So that's it. Thank you.